Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time in Glendale, Arizona at Dream City Christian School. And this is my first school ever in Arizona, so it's such an honor to be here. Today's focus for grades K through 12 was all about bullying and looking at the heart first, right? So we did it here in their worship center right on campus, and it was just a beautiful morning and afternoon getting to talk to all the students and staff about a super important message, right? This is such a necessary topic, especially in today's world that surrounds us being able to not only show kindness to ourselves, but to others as well. And that this kindness, right, this love, this respect, this peace has to start in our hearts. Our hearts are as big as our fist. And if we let love, peace, compassion, and Christ fully enter into our hearts, we can turn this into this, the peace sign. One finger being ourself, the other for someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, right? But also two, because in just 2 seconds, right, in one breath, one heartbeat, one action, we can say something so kind it stays on someone's heart for the rest of their life. Or in 2 seconds, we can also say something that can maybe destroy a life. So it's so important that we let that love come in, start to heal us, that we turn any hurt, that we talked about hurt people who hurt people, but turning that into healed people who heal people. Like Isaiah 53 says, by his wounds we are healed, by his ultimate sacrifice, God's ultimate act of kindness, dying on the cross for all of us. We have this one in the background here at the worship center, that now we finally can become these healed people to step into our calling to help heal this planet by showing that same kindness that was shown to us, right? If we are able to move past that hurt, forgive, which isn't easy, but that's what our Father has taught us to do. And it's something that we need to do. And so this means that we also have to be able to see people for who they truly are, which is looking at their heart before anything else, right? If they're different size than us, if they're a different weight than us, if they're a different skin color, if they speak a different language, if they wear different clothes, come from a whole different background, talk different, walk different, see different, hear different, learn different, any type of difference, that we can still see them first and foremost for who they truly are in their hearts. Like 1 Samuel says that we, so many times, people look at the outside appearance, but God always looks at the heart. So that was the main focus today, being able to choose kindness, being able to choose love, and also see ourselves and everyone for this. The M on all of our hands, with the lines in each of our hands, we have the letter M. And sometimes more than one, but at least one on each hand. And like I traced here on mine, and you can see on my shirt, this M stands for miracle. And it says also in Isaiah 49, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof. And we as Christians know this, we as Christians believe this. Now it's up to us to go and share that light with others, right? By helping them see that, especially if they've forgotten it or just have never been told that. It's so important. And look, I mean, even our Savior needed help carrying his cross. So what does it say about us? We need others. We need to know that we need other people that are going to lift us up higher than ourselves, see us as miracles, but then go be that light to their heart too, and shine it just as brightly as they might shine it towards us. Beautiful day again. A lot of students that shared their heart with me. Some tears, but that's okay. Tears are the sweat of our strength. Started healing and feeling again. So honored to be a part of that here in Arizona, and hope to be back again in the future. Until then, and as always, God bless everyone here, and make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out the amazing playlist for some other motivational clips from my YouTube channel, and you can visit my website, mrpeace.org, through the link you see on the screen too, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Christ peace.